I was at my local hardware store this morning and saw that he had a bunch of vegetable seeds, and this is what is today? 9th of July. So I picked up a few and I flipped them over and I was like, wait a minute. These things, look at the date on that, 1993. These two were from 1993. These two were packed for 1995, and the squash and these peppers here were packed in, there it is, in 2000, right there. So the newest thing here is 18 years old and the oldest thing is 25 years old. Will they germinate? I don't know. We're gonna see. So what I'm gonna do is throw these in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer for about 10 days, a couple of weeks or something, and then bring them out and plant them in peat with some organic fertilizer and just see if they will possibly germinate. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.